Hi guys, welcome back to Konstruksie. Today we're having a look at Lumeo. It's just going to be an unboxing. We'll do comparison videos and some practical field tests a little bit later, but let's see what's in the box. If you order one of these, pretty small packaging, which is great, easy to open, pull it out. Difference here which I really like about these: rechargeable. On the one hand, awesome, especially when you're camping and you need a place that has electricity. This is pretty useful. If you go anywhere else, you need a power bank or you'll need some solar system to plug into. So keep that in mind because there's no battery option versus the other models do, which means you can take spares with you. Something small just to think about. So different to the others, the back has the normal material straps that we're used to, the flexi ones, which is adjustable on the side. The rest of it is rubberized because it contains the LED in it. It does feel very sturdy, it feels like good quality, so pretty happy with that. It does have a pre-charge, so at least you can test it immediately, which we're going to do right now. Okay, left or right? Let's put on the right hand side. Okay, so start with the button function, I guess. There we go. That's pretty bright. Dimmer function, that's side lamp that's gone on now. That one also has a dimmer function and it's off. Of course, the thing that we've been waiting to play with is the hand function. So I press on the side, it has a little button for that. Here we go. So on, off. That wasn't too high grade. The true test, of course, is to see what it does in the bush. Let me quickly have a look at the lumens. It says 350 lumens. That is pretty high. So I'm going to switch off this light. You're going to see a beautiful backdrop behind me. Hopefully my fire will also come to screen, and then I'll switch it on and we'll have a look at the three different functions and what they're doing. That's pretty bright. Right, so that seems good. Oh, I wanted to toggle and I couldn't because it's keeping switching on and off. That's the dim function. That's the side lamp, which is much brighter than the LEDs. Yo, that's nice. Right, now what is advertised to do is go wide, so the real question is if it's wide enough. Yeah, look, it's pretty wide. It's much wider than your normal headlamp, so I think that is a true statement. Remember to check out the price on these. Consider the fact that you buy two for that 500 rand and you don't have to buy batteries. Battery costs over maintenance should be considered, but so far, first look, feels good. It is as advertised. Looking forward to doing a proper field test. Guys, enjoy your camping. Cheers.